Good day, my friends. Today we are going to cook asparagus soup. In order to do that, we bend the asparagus to in the middle, and where it breaks, the top one is the good one, and but the one in the bottom is the hard part that we cannot use. So I'm going to cut them all and separate the top and the bottom. Now I've done them all, and we're going to put the good part on the basket to wash it, and the hard part that I'm going to use compost it for the plants as fertilizer. Now we wash this and put it in a pot of boiling water and wait for it to cook. We don't want to cook it too much, just enough so that we can use it for the soup. Now while the asparagus is getting ready, I show you what else we need. We need some onion and carrot and garlic and the chopped fresh parsley. So these are all ingredients that are in the description. Please have a look. Now we put a wok or a frying pan on the stove and add butter to it and wait for butter to melt down. When it's almost melted, we are going to add the garlic. Wait for the garlic to start bubbling, and also at the time that you can smell the aroma. When you can see the bubbles, then you can add the onion. We wait for the onion to get soft, not too soft of course, and then we will be adding the carrot. Mix everything well. Now our carrot and onion and garlic are ready. We add the asparagus. Asparagus has been already boiled. Now we add half a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of black pepper. Mix them together. Add some water and let it simmer for a while. While that's getting ready, we put a frying pan on the stove and add butter. We are going to prepare some white sauce. You could add white flour to the mixture, but I prefer do it this way. Prefer the white sauce and then add the white sauce. Now when the butter is melted, we add the flour gradually, a little at a time, and move it around and push over the lumps of flour to get it dissolved in the butter. You may use olive oil if you like, but butter gives it a better taste. Anytime the flour is dissolved in the oil, we add some more. And when it's all done, we are going to start adding milk. And we do the same thing. We add a little at a time. And keep stirring until it's uniform and dissolved, and we add some more. Last year I made a video of how to make a white sauce to go with cauliflower. You may want to have a look at that. Okay, the white sauce is ready. Now we go back to our soup and add the white sauce that we prepared. Of course, we don't want the whole white sauce that we made, and we just used enough so that it can give a thickness to the soup. Now let it simmer a bit. And after about 5 to 10 minutes, we are going to turn the heat off and wait for the mixture to get cool. And when it's cooled down, we are going to transfer it into a mixer and also add a cup of cream to it. Now we get the mixer going. Now we turn it off and empty the content back into the wok. I tasted it for salt. I had to add a little bit more salt, and we add a little bit more water to get it more liquid. The thickness depends on you. The thicker you want it, the less water, and then if you want it thinner, you add more water. Now our soup is ready. We're going to transfer it into a serving bowl and let it just cool down a little bit, and I'm going to add quarter of a cup of Persian breakfast cream, which is a very thick cream, and it's going to give it a extra flavor. You don't have to add if you don't want to. Now our soup is ready. We are going to garnish it with a few asparagus, and also we have it with bread. The bread on the left is sangak and the one on the right is barberry. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.